If you're considering using Wells Fargo Mobile, there are 12 important things you should know before making the decision, especially when compared to its competitors like Chase and Bank of America. Let's dive right into it. First thing, Wells Fargo offers a pretty intuitive app design. While not as sleek as some of its competitors, it's easy to navigate and gets the job done. Whether you're transferring funds, paying bills, or checking your balance, everything is just a few taps away. Next thing, the app includes a solid set of banking features, including mobile check deposits and account management. While not groundbreaking, it's on par with what you'd expect from a top-tier mobile banking app. However, if you're looking for more robust savings tools, you might find competitors offering more specialized features. The third thing is the ability to link multiple accounts, which is a huge plus for users with different Wells Fargo accounts or even accounts from other banks. You can keep everything in one place and track your spending across multiple platforms, making it convenient for managing your finances. The fourth thing to consider is Wells Fargo's security. The app has advanced security features like multi-factor authentication and the ability to lock your debit card from the app. This makes it relatively safe, but if you're looking for cutting-edge biometrics or more sophisticated fraud prevention, there are apps out there that do it better. Next up, the app offers bill pay functionality, and it's quite reliable. You can schedule payments, set reminders, and pay bills directly from your phone. But while it's efficient, some competitors offer more comprehensive budgeting tools within their apps, which is something Wells Fargo lacks. The sixth thing is the Spending Insights feature. It categorizes your expenses, but it's fairly basic compared to apps like Mint or YNAB that give you more in-depth financial advice and tracking. If you're someone who really needs to break down your spending habits, you may find Wells Fargo's app a bit too simple. The seventh thing is that Wells Fargo has solid integration with Apple Pay, allowing you to make secure purchases in stores and online. However, it doesn't offer as many integrations as apps from other major banks, which could be a limitation if you need wider digital wallet options. The eighth thing is that Wells Fargo Mobile allows you to track your credit score, but this feature isn't as comprehensive as other standalone services like Credit Karma. If understanding your credit score in depth is crucial to you, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, the ninth thing to know is that Wells Fargo Mobile isn't the best for international transactions. While it does allow for currency conversion, there are fewer features related to overseas banking compared to competitors like Chase or Citi, which offer better global banking options. The 10th thing is the customer support options. You can contact Wells Fargo via chat or phone, but response times can vary. It doesn't offer 24/7 live support like some other financial apps, which could be a deal breaker for some users. The 11th thing is that Wells Fargo Mobile offers both Android and iOS versions of the app, making it accessible to a wide range of users. It's nice to see cross-platform availability, but keep in mind that certain features may vary depending on the operating system. And lastly, the 12th thing is the app's free features. While basic functions like checking your balance and transferring funds are free, some services come with fees. Compared to competitors, Wells Fargo's fee structure is fairly standard, but if you're looking for a truly free experience, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Wells Fargo Mobile offers a solid and reliable experience for basic banking tasks, but it doesn't quite stand out from the competition in terms of advanced features. If you're okay with a straightforward app for managing your finances, it's a great option. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive and feature-rich solution, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free today.